Hello everybody, it's Bob Mann from Bob Mann Auto, drvolts.com. Today I'm going to talk to you about a very important thing right now, and we're all dealing with this coronavirus problem. Your car and its cabin air filter. Oh, you've heard of air filters and fuel filters. Cabin air filter? It's a filter inside the car that cleans the air that comes into you. It should be changed at least once a year, if not sooner, during the present situation. With today's new cabin air filters with carbon built up and some of the polymers, they remove almost 100% of bacteria, pollutants, dust, and pollen. And here in this Beetle, this is what one looks like. This is terrible. Look at all the stuff here. This hasn't been changed for a long time. What it's supposed to look like is this. And this is the new MANN filter with the carbon built up with the latest technology for air cleaning. I highly recommend you cleaning. Almost every car has one, every Volkswagen, Audi has one. They're either stuck up on the dash, in the front for the cold air intake, or underneath the glove box inside. They're very easy to change. Or we can do here at Bob Mann, Dr. Volks, we can take care of your needs. And this is very important. As you're driving down the street and somebody spits or coughs and the windows are open, you can very easily just pull that right into your car. With the cabin air filter working and doing its job, it will separate those bacteria, viruses, pollen, and keep them from getting into your car and keeping you and your children safe as you drive in today's troubling times. Thank you, and visit us at drvolts.com and get a hold of us for any of your needs.